The Financial Sector Conduct Authority (FSCA) is a regulatory body that regulates brokers in South Africa. Forex and CFD brokers and payment systems issuers are all under the FSCA's regulation. The FSCA was established in 2018. It aims to protect the interests of retail investors by ensuring that brokers carry out effective financial services products by emphasizing safe and sound financial conduct. The FSCA regulates and enforces strict rules and guidelines for Forex brokers in South Africa. The Financial Services Board established them, and they regulate Forex brokers to ensure that they are financially sound, regulated, licensed, or registered with appropriate authorities. There are many reasons why it's important to trade through a broker who abides by these rules set out by the FSCA, but most importantly, they make your trading safer. FSCA-regulated brokers have been independently examined and verified as meeting certain standards before being allowed to legally operate in South Africa. This ensures you receive better customer service than at non-regulated brokers, where there may be no accountability or oversight of their practices since any rules do not bind them. Simply put, it means that the broker has met certain standards set out by the Financial Services Board in South Africa and is allowed to legally offer its services to residents of South Africa. This includes complying with all financial regulations as well as adhering to best practices when it comes to customer service, safety and security, and more. When you trade through FSCA-registered brokers, you know that they have been independently verified as meeting certain high standards. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your money is safe and that if anything goes wrong while trading, you have someone to hold accountable. Additionally, an FSCA-regulated broker is more likely to have robust safety and security measures in place to protect your funds. The Financial Sector Conduct Authority (FSCA) is comparatively a new financial sector regulator in South Africa. It has been established to protect the interests of consumers and ensure that financial institutions are conducted fairly and honestly. The FSCA has a number of key responsibilities, which are regulating the financial services industry, including banks, insurers, and pension funds. Protecting traders by ensuring that they are treated fairly and honestly by financial service providers. Investigating complaints against financial service providers. Taking action against the FSCA brokers that break the law or engage in unethical behavior. The Financial Sector Conduct Authority (FSCA) regulated brokers can offer their consumers a wide range of benefits. They provide high levels of service and competitive rates, which could lead to higher investment returns through some guaranteed funds, segmentation, and reduced fees. However, they are more focused on serving their clients in order to make profits out of them. Therefore, they have developed a big variety of products and services, which includes easy access to investment opportunities at low costs and fast delivery times wherever needed. As such, it is not hard for them to address the needs and interests of their clients. This is a clear advantage of using FSCA-regulated Forex brokers alongside other financial institutions. The fees related to the use of FSCA-regulated Forex brokers are always low and competitive, therefore, customers can benefit from low costs. The reason for this is that they provide a wide range of financial products and services. They can offer the lowest fees to their customers in order to have a good reputation and maintain a high number of investors. This is an important factor for them because if they had higher commissions, it would decrease their profits and make them less competitive than other financial institutions. However, all their services are developed, monitored, and controlled by an authority like FSCA-regulated brokers so that it is impossible for them to commit any frauds or misuse their clients' funds. A large number of investments with low fees may lead to higher investment returns because the money of the investors is not wasted on commission fees. Most of the FSCA-regulated Forex brokers are located in a vast network of branches and offices all over the world, so their clients can easily access them whenever they need some kind of services. The processing time is also very quick and flexible, so if someone needs to have his transaction done within a short time frame, then he can get it done by FSCA-registered brokers. In order to profit from different investment opportunities in different sectors and countries, they must have quick delivery times, which could help them to meet buyers' demands. Here are the things to consider before choosing DSFA-regulated Forex brokers: the broker, regulation, leverage, spreads, execution speed, platforms, account types, customer support, trading limits, social media presence, leverage ratio, minimum deposit requirements, mobile apps, payment methods, customer funds, risk management section. As we said earlier, FSCA-regulated brokers are located all over the world, so it increases their customers' opportunities to invest in activities of different sectors and countries. This is an important factor because most of them do not want any limitation on their investment finances and activities. They can benefit from international financial activities, and they can also get high returns. For example, FSCA-registered brokers offer their customers to invest in stocks of different companies, bonds of different countries, and commodities in different sectors. In order to provide such a wide range of financial products and services to their traders, they must have a strong position in the global economy. Otherwise, it would not be possible for them to manage it successfully. The financial world is changing very rapidly nowadays, especially in terms of currency exchange. So, traders always need to keep themselves updated about the latest news and trends in order to make better decisions concerning their financial activities. Besides, FSCA-regulated brokers have a strong position for providing the best products and services to their customers. Therefore, they can offer them lots of useful news, so people will not be worried about their future. And keeping up to date about new information does not cost a lot of money for traders because it will not have any great effect on the value of their investments or financial activities. Moreover, even if people do not follow the latest trends in order to improve their results in many areas, they can still enjoy high returns and benefits over time because FSCA-regulated brokers are there to help them in this situation. Forex brokers in South Africa have been around for decades now, and these services have come a long way from what they used to be. The norm of the Forex broker has changed with the introduction of FSCA, and this is especially true for those who are using Forex trading as their business model. In many instances, people neglect to use better brokers that can help them achieve more lucrative trading. However, there are many organizations within the South African Forex market that have been set up specifically to offer quality services at reasonable rates. To succeed in the market, it's important that they use FSCA-regulated brokers and not fall prey to scam practices.